Since Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced demonetization of old 500 and 1000 rupee notes, the government has been focusing on promoting digital economy and taking the country towards a less cash economy. The government has set up two committees, one comprising secretaries of relevant ministries headed by Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant to identify all possible modes of digital payments across sectors, and the other of chief ministers whose convener is Chandrababu Naidu to boost digital payment systems. The Chief Minister's panel met on Thursday, in which Chandrababu Naidu participated via video conferencing. The panel will suggest ways to encourage modes of digital payments and thus transparency and financial inclusion. The members of the panel are Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Sikkim Chief Minister Pawan Kumar Chamling, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, Puducherry Chief Minister V. Narayanasamy, Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Arvind Panagaria, and its CEO Amitabh Kant. Kant has been made member secretary of this committee. With efforts being made for a smooth transition to a less cash economy, concerns are also being raised on security of such transactions. Assuaging such fears, Information Technology Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has said that India's digital wall is fully secure and warned of strict action against those trying to breach it.
देश की डिजिटल दीवार पूरी सुरक्षित है। अगर कोई उसको भेदने की कोशिश करेगा तो हम सख्त कार्रवाई करते हैं कि ऐसी पुनरावृत्ति नहीं हो।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has exhorted officials to work in mission mode to encourage digital payments in government departments and among people at large. The government's Less Cash campaign was introduced on Wednesday in Parliament, where electronic money payment facilities were launched in all canteens and other eating facilities by Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan. The facility has been made available at 19 places in Parliament, including canteens for MPs and media, as well as in the Central Hall. Medium and small traders too are appreciating the ease of digital transactions and have increasingly started using swipe machines in their shops. This is not only adding pace to their trade, but also making transactions easier for their customers.
कस्टमर स्वाइप से ही ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं और हम लोग भी स्वाइप को ही पसंद करते हैं कि हम लोग भी अकाउंट में सीधा पैसा जमा करना ही होता है, तो यहाँ डायरेक्ट अकाउंट में चला जाता है पैसा, कोई दिक्कत होती नहीं है हमें।
स्वाइप मशीन का सबसे बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि अब अगर मेरा 280 का भी होगा तो चेंज के लिए इनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
DD News organized a workshop for its functionaries on Thursday to apprise them with the benefits of digital economy. The workshop saw overwhelming participation of its functionaries. The government has said that a less cash economy will not only curb inflation and reduce lending rates, but in the long run also reduce tax rates. As more and more people are integrated into the financial system and make the transition to digital transactions, benefits may well start flowing to all sooner than later. DD News.